How to send PDF file from WhatsApp to email. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you send a PDF file from your WhatsApp to email. So let's get started. On this process, at first you have to open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, from there you'll have to just open the conversation from where you want to send PDF. So in my case, I have this random PDF from here, and after you look for the PDF you want to send, you'll have to just tap and hold that PDF to share that. Alright, so after you tap and hold, you'll have to just tap on the option forward. Okay, so from your tap on the option share, just at the bottom right corner, and from here you can easily choose your mail app from your device. So in my case, I will use this mail app from here. Alright, so from the section I can easily send this PDF on mail. Like on the to section, I will have to just provide the email address of that person from here, and after I provide the email address and after I add this email account, I will have to just tap on the option send icon just at the top right corner, and from there I can easily send the PDF file from my WhatsApp to email. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.